na po sa refusal ng plea.
Okay, so today, inarraign si former Senator Ramon Bong Revilla, no? So, na-mention naman kanina that there was a ruling dun sa mga motion na na-file ni Senator Bong Revilla, pero hindi pa niya natanggap yung resolution on that motion. In fact, as I'm speaking now, sinuserve pa lang sa kanila yung physically yung kopya ng resolution, no? So, ang tanong nyo is, bakit siya hindi nag-enter ng plea? So, allowed po yan under the rules of court, no? You can enter a plea of guilty, not guilty, or you can just refuse to enter a plea. Hindi yan bawal, and in fact, pwede yan, kaya nagawa ni former Senator Ramon Bong Revilla. Pag ganun po ang ginawa na nag-refuse ka to enter the plea, the court will just enter a plea of not guilty, no? Which was what was done dito, no? Bakit? So, tinatanong nyo bakit, no? Kasi, nag-file nga kami ng motion to quash information. So, ano ibig sabihin nun? Kine-question yung legality o validity ng information. So, we are just maintaining that position, no? Naitanong nyo kanina, pero may ruling na yung motion. Tama? Yun yung tinanong nyo. Pero, it does not bar us from availing remedies to assail that order denying the motion.
Yung pareho lang yun, attorney. Yung
Ano
not
po?
guilty